that stuff right there in the middle.
A lot of y'all got different problems. A lot of y'all dealing with poverty. A lot of y'all deal with teachers that don't care to see y'all grow. A lot of y'all don't got both parents in y'all life. A lot of y'all that seen drugs. A lot of y'all that seen violence. The main focus of what we doing with Father Your Hood, with Ty and the elect, the situation is so different. There's only one thing that we all share in common that can help all of us instantly, and that's the Most High. One, the basic thing for y'all to have for y'all guidance and instructions is the 10 Commandments. Do anybody know what the 10 Commandments is? All right, somebody let them know.
Need some water?
Respect your parents and
some water.
Honor your father and your mother.
Honor your father and your mother. Sabbath day. Who know what the Sabbath day is? Real quick.
Sunday.
Sunday ain't the Sabbath day.
Oh, I thought you said
Saturday.
Saturday is the 7th day. That's why the Most High hallowed the 7th day. Because the more we keep the commandments, the more we know how to respect each other, the more we know how to love each other, the more that we can bond and be strong and work together, right? Get them! And they rushed the camp, and they defeated the Philistines that day. And David became a hero warrior amongst the children of Israel, and his story has been told all the way up until this day.
All right, so we're doing some more. Full of time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get your chocolate ready. Boom, you got the white chocolate? You want with the white chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, boom. So now you gotta break your cracker in half. Oh, you gotta broke in half. Alright. So look. So one cracker. Get the chocolate together.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Alright, now we're here with it, right? Father Your Hood. Teaching the young men. How to be men walking their masculinity, walking their power and their identity. You know what I'm saying? If society broke down in the mud, would y'all be able to feed ourselves?
Why are you doing this? Especially that first one. That first one was a good one. Go, he said go. Oh, he gone. He gone. Oh, he gone. He gone. Wow. Y'all see him well now when I put him down and he cried. Y'all see him well.
Not do it to him. I don't care. He all that. He not one of them.
Yeah.
So, swing. Oh yeah, swing. Oh yeah, do it to him. Do it to him.